What is up, Tress Troop? It's Tress to Impress, and I am back with another video. Today, I am going to show you how I achieve this cute, bouncy, kind of carefree ponytail. Super cute. It's kind of got an elegance to it, but at the same time, it's super carefree. I did not use a lot of heat. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then stay tuned. Take this off so you can kind of see what I'm working with on my hair. It has been pressed, obviously, but my edges are like frizzy, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do about that. Very simple, y'all. I'm keeping it simple. I am keeping it simple. First, I use a little coconut oil, just a little around my edges. Just a little bit of oil helps. Whatever heat styling tool heats, it will heat your hair up just a little bit warmer. Right, so I'm using this on my edges. I do not use a hot comb. So this has a heated barrel in the center, and then it's got plastic combs on the outside. Now this plastic does warm up, but it's not nearly as hot as a hot comb. So it's not going to burn me. Y'all can kind of get the picture. I'm gonna do this all the way around my edges. I've never used a hot comb on my hair before, and I don't think I'm missing out on anything. Okay, so you get the edges, comb through. Nice and straight. And next, I think I'm gonna wear like a straight back ponytail. What the hell, I'm gonna wear it? I think so. Just back like that. So just gonna brush these edges down. Brush them down, brush them down, down. Brush them down, brush them down, down. And hair tie. Excuse me. Boom, boom, boom. Give it the quick 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure I got the shine on. Little protector. I'm using Beyond the Zone. Just gonna kind of mist it all over. And these are going to be quick curls with the flat iron. This is not going to be like a curly ponytail. I'm just putting a little oomph back into my hair. You know, a little oomph, a little oomph. So you see how that's like scraggly and ugly? I I just clamp my flat irons on it and twist my flat iron once, just once, and then slowly pull that all the way down to the end, just like if it were in there straight. And I'm taking larger chunks. Now, if I did this same process with smaller pieces of hair, it would be like a tight, curly, polished ponytail that would pretty much stay curled up all day, but that's not what I'm going for. I want to just really knock some of this frizziness off. I like how your mama used to put a little bump, a little bend in your hair at the end. I'm just going for a little body, not really curls. Not really curls. This piece is too big, but go with the flow, go with the flow, go with the flow. Boom, boom, boom. So, kind of got some curls going. They're hot, so I'm going to let them cool before I mess with them. There are rules. There are rules. This is actually a heat protection serum by Olive Oil. It gives me a very pretty, healthy shine to my hair, so I like to use it. While my hair is cooling off and setting, I'm going to go back in on the front and get it nice and smooth. Finish it off like such. Get one more. So I got a puckle. Don't really want to redo the whole ponytail, but I do want to get rid of the puckle. So let's see how this goes. Let's try again. This wrap method. I'm going to take it and wrap it close to the end first, and then get closer to the base of the ponytail with each wrap. So then when I'm ready to pin it, I'm already close to the base. And then I'm going to wrap it around this hairpin before I stick it through the ponytail. And this is just a toothbrush with some of the Mielle Organics hydrating, what is this? Moisture RX honey ginger gel. And I am just baby dolling my edges. And then I may tie a scarf on this to set it, but it's not really needed because we did the light press on the edges before we started. Let's see.